Hey you guys, whew, I'm looking a little windswept today. I thought today was a really good day to go thrifting. I'm really excited to see what I can find. I have a few hours to myself. I don't plan on going thrifting all day long, but I am trying to get into a routine with my boys gone at school of thrifting a little bit more often. So we will see how that goes, but let's cross our fingers and hope I find some good stuff today. Okay, so right off the bat, I did find this Nike Air Jordan men's windbreaker. It's full zip, it's got the red and black, it's lined, and I thought it was good quality. Men's Air Jordan does really well for me, so I hope to get around $30 to $40 for this. In addition to this windbreaker, I found this Harley Davidson women's vest. It's fully embroidered. Women's for Harley Davidson doesn't sell quite as fast for me, but I thought it was really cool with the embroidery, and it's full zip in the front. It should sell pretty well. This is a vintage Tommy Hilfiger, you can tell from the tag. Flag men's tee. T-shirts were just $1 at this store this day, so I went ahead and I bought it. I haven't had a ton of experience selling Tommy Hilfiger that's vintage or whatever, but I thought for $1 I could at least flip it for 20, so we'll see what happens there. Next up in the jeans section, I found these Madewell high-rise skinny black jeans with a button fly and raw hem. These sell pretty well for me, especially because they're a little bit more in style. Comps appear to be in the $30 to $35 range, so it was definitely an easy pickup for me. Good first find in the jeans section for sure. This is Ralph Lauren Denim & Supply. It's in a good size. Denim & Supply can be a little bit hit or miss, but with this cool graphic on it, the raglan style, t-shirts being just $1, I thought, again, I can just pick this up for $1 and maybe flip it for 20. Next up was this Zara Basic Collection white lab style collarless coat, jacket, blazer. It was new with tags. I passed on it because there were a bunch of stains on it, and because it was new with tags, it was going to be harder to clean to preserve the tags, so I did pass, but now I'm wondering if I should have just grabbed it anyway, so maybe that's a regret I'll have, I don't know. This is a Matilda Jane military style pea coat. Really cute. Matilda Jane does really well for me. It sells really fast. They make women's clothes and girls' clothes. So this was definitely an easy pickup for me. Should sell for around $45 to $50 pretty easily. Here's another fun find. I couldn't find exact comps for this, but it's got this 90s retro geometric pattern on the front. It's a vintage Adidas women's full zip sweater hoodie. And I just feel like I can sell this for around $30 to $35 pretty easily. I love vintage Adidas or retro style Adidas. Always sells pretty well. This is a Lacoste men's full zip wool, like fully lined coat, and it's heavier. It's a nice material. You can tell like from the heft of it. I hope this sells for around $50 to $60 at the least. Lacoste is hit or miss when it comes to the shirts for me, but coats like this, expensive items like this tend to do pretty well. So it might sit for a minute, but I do think it'll sell for a decent price. 7 for All Mankind lately is most of the time a pass, but these are the Josefina boyfriend relaxed jeans. They're in a very light wash. They seemed more on trend, so I am going to pick them up, and it looks like comps for this exact style of 7 for All Mankind are around $30 to $40, so we'll see what I fetch for them. Looks like something from ThredUp made its way to this thrift store. I thought that was kind of funny, so I had to point that out. Flying Monkey is a brand that I pick up all the time. It's just a bread and butter item, sells between $20 to $30. I even just recently sold a pair for $34. They just are a really decent quality, stretchy, well-fitting jean, high-rise, skinny, so definitely an easy pickup if it's at the right price. This is a Prana men's long sleeve raglan tee. Prana for men sells really quickly for me, and for not anything crazy, but like around $15 to $20. Because t-shirts were $1 today, I did pick this up for just $1, hoping to flip it fast. When you see FP Beach, that's actually Free People Beach, and this is a long sleeve dress with a cutout in the back. I couldn't find any sold comps for it, but someone has it listed on Poshmark for $54. I'm hoping to get around $30 to $35 for this. Free People Beach tends to sell pretty well for me. That and their Movement and Intimate line both sell great. All of this is in my cart already because I had to kind of hustle and get in the zone with what I was trying to grab and pick up, and sometimes when I'm thrifting I do that, but Anyway, this is a soft surroundings duster chunky knit cardigan. Really cute. Soft surroundings does great for me. I think I could get this sold for more than $35, honestly, but we'll see what happens. Again, super soft and really cute. This next one was such a fun find. This is a Free People, one of the guys' fleece button downs. It's way oversized, it's plaid, perfect for fall and winter. I almost want to keep this for myself, but I am going to go ahead and sell it. I think I can get around $40 for it. It's super in style and in season right now, hence the price that I think I can command. Next up, I found these Anthropologie Hey Hey cargos. Always makes me think of Moana now. I can't unthink it. I've sold numerous Hey Hey cargo pants like this in the past. They usually fetch between $20 and $30. Pretty easy pickup and a pretty quick flip. Next up, I found these Eileen Fisher size 12 charcoal skinny jeans, and they may have an insane retail price, but they usually resell for around just $25 to $35, nothing too crazy, but definitely an easy pickup, especially in that size. Hudson jeans are sold at Nordstrom and Nordstrom Rack. It's kind of why I picked these up. I am picky about the style, but this kind of bleached knee, cool style, I saw a comp that was around $33 for them, so it's a relaxed fit. I thought, why not? Let's go ahead and grab it and see how it does. Then I snagged these Hoka One One women's Bondi 4 purple athletic shoes. They're running shoes. They're really popular right now. These do not have the insole, but I figured I could still get around $30 for them, so we'll see what happens. These Outdoor Research cropped pants were hiding in the women's section, but they're actually men's. They're the men's cropped Feroce 3/4 pants. They're adjustable at the calf, and they sell for around $40, so definitely pick up Outdoor Research if you're ever out and about. It's sold at REI and it commands a high price. This is an Adidas trefoil pullover black hoodie. It's for women. I do not think the wear on the front of it at all will deter people from buying it. It gives it like a vintage look. I love picking up Adidas trefoil gear, so this was an easy pickup for me in just a couple dollars. Next up, I found another Elevensies coat. If you guys remember from my last thrift with me, I found a really cool Elevensies coat as well. This one is like a watercolor pattern on the front. It's long, it's got a Peter Pan style collar. Comps seem to be around $65 to $75, so I was really excited to find that for sure. And then for my very last find of the day, I couldn't believe it. It's not a good thrift haul without Lululemon, and I found this Lululemon Voyage hoodie in white Nimbus. You guys, I think I'm going to have to keep this for myself. I'm going to have to selfishly donate this to me and my wardrobe until I'm ready to sell it. It's super cute and it's my size. Come on. All right, now let's go ahead and list. I'm going to list as fast as I can. I did not list this the same day I got it, so I'm totally guilty of that, but I did the next day, I promise. I took measurements. I just go as fast as I can with the pile to my left that has already been steamed and cleaned. You will see me occasionally needing to just use my lint remover brush to just remove a few things like right here. But in general, I have my items cleaned, steamed, and ready to go in a pile next to me, and then I just take one after the other and take photographs, measurements in the photos, and then I'm ready to list them as soon as they're done. I photograph in a huge pile, again, as fast as I can until I'm all done with that pile, and then I'm ready to sort it and list it and put it away. I'm trying to refine my process so that I'm as fast as I can because, again, the faster I can list, the more I can list and the more I can accomplish in a day. So that's really a goal of mine, is to get faster and faster. Alright guys, that about does it for me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked this video and subscribe to my channel for more content every single week on how you can make a profit in your reselling business. Take care and I will catch you next time.